Silver prices have finally kissed $70 milestone here in the bull run. Last week we had seen it hitting the lows at 62, 63, and then a good pullback is seen. Now, what to expect in the coming week? Are we looking forward for it to move towards 75 here in the coming week, or in fact $80 levels, or the highs are done and wait for a reversal here? Yes, it is trading in this bearish channel where the highs are going to be somewhere here at around 74, 75. So can we expect a swing here? What should be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We're going to analyze the charts and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade and trade profitably the entire week. Also, this is the only channel to deliver twice a day updates on silver where I give you the logical analysis, precise levels such that you can profit trading across Asia, Europe and US sessions. Subscribe, press the bell icon, like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships and get the access to our members exclusive update. With that, let's start. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels, so watch till the end. Now, silver on the weekly chart, see, first of all, it has formed a very good base now at $55 levels with the support at 55. This is trying to bounce back. Now, when you look at the waves here, see, this was a steep drop and a good pullback, drop and a pullback, drop and a pullback. Now, when you connect the highs and the lows, so this is how it is trading. Now, only bullishness in silver is if you see it is staying beyond 80 and 85. In fact, in the coming week, 74, 75 is the first hurdle, first resistance for silver to break beyond. Any move beyond 75 will confirm that now 80 will be there, and beyond 80 is where we can say a rally is expected in silver. Right now, it has already shown a tremendous run for the last 3 to 4 weeks, right from 55 to 70. Yes, last week also I had mentioned very clearly as in how it moves upwards, the bullish momentum will increase, and now this has come to the next resistance at $70 levels. So let it stay beyond 70, 71.2, and then you can expect 72.5, 74, 75 as the next possible targets here. Moving averages are now starting to diverge again. Interestingly, the stochastic, which is stayed oversold, is now back to an overbought. And if you look at the silver's movement on the weekly charts, the stochastic on the weekly charts, whenever it hits overbought zone, it generally calls for a pullback. So next couple of weeks, there is, I'll say, moderate bullish momentum might prevail, but it is not going to give you a greater rally what we had seen right from 55 to 70. I do not see that happening. Yes, it can still stick with the moderate bullish momentum. Look at the MACD. Right from the highs, we have seen a good sharp drop coming in, and then it is now on the verge of a crossover. Now, see, uh, in fact, it is not yet crossed, but already we had seen a 15 to 20% rise here. Yes, from $55 levels, the prices have not now hit 70. Imagine once it crosses over and it gets back into this bullish track where the prices are going to go, and that is why most of the analysts are focusing on just on this criteria and expecting silver to hit 100, 120, 150, or in fact $200 in the near future. Though I will say, even if it tries to rise, remember friends, 120, which is the record it has created recently or few months back, I'll say it is going to be very, 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 very difficult for silver to break it now. So, and I have shared this several times that now the lows are done, and now even if it tries to move towards 96, $98 levels, that also will be a very good opportunity for us to sell again, because right now this is a retracement and not yet a complete reversal. Look at the RSI. After staying overbought, we had seen a good fall coming in. Now this is rising. This is also a healthier sign for further up move. So, yes, mixed indication, but largely signaling bullishness here. Let's have a look at the daily. On the daily charts, the moving averages have just crossed over. Now, this is the support zone which it has to stay below, which right now lies at $63 levels here. So, 63, 62 is the zone which silver has to break for any kind of reversal. Rise, retracement, and see, this is how it is trading. Now, this is almost at the cusp of the top of this channel. So from here, a little pullback might take it again back towards 66, 67.2 or 65 levels. But I'll say bearishness will follow only if 63, 62 zone is taken, else it is still not bearish. Yes, the moving averages are crossing over after a long time, and it can stay here in this bullish zone for a while. Now, any move beyond 70, 71.2, 72.4 should confirm the move towards 74, 75. And then if 74, 75 zone is taken, I think 80 should not be too far. Yes, the stochastic is on rise, the MACD is on rise, this is looking upwards, the RSI is on rise. So signs here are also in favor of the buys. Look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour chart, see, first of all, the support getting created, it is breached past by the resistance, and I had mentioned last week itself that whenever you see a silver breaking past by this, the next target is going to be all the way towards 70. Now look at the 4 hour chart. See, definitely a greater resistance is seen at 70. We have seen red, green, and red here now closing with the red candle. So I will watch out for the coming week's opening. It can try to pull it back again towards 68, but bearishness will follow only if it gets back below 66, 66.6. What you can expect below this? Rise retracement, so it can again come back towards the zone at 63. Right now I do not see such greater reversal, but as in how it moves lower, more bearishness might follow. However, even if it moves towards 63, 62, I think that should offer it a maximum support from any downside move. Stochastic is, if you look at this, is trying to cool down right from the overbought levels, and when you see the MACD, this is also hit the highs, now trying to cross over. So when you look at the daily charts and the 4 hour charts, the indicators are mixed here. On the daily charts, this is still bullish. On the 4 hour charts, when you look at, this is possibly signaling a little reversal here. So it is possible that the first couple of sessions might come with swing, and then later half of the coming week might again get back into, or get the silver prices back into track. Look at the RSI, this is overbought, trying to cool down here. Now coming to the monthly, the silver on the monthly chart, see, after four or two sharp bearish candle and couple of sideways candle, it has taken the support from the 20 period. Taking the support from the 20 period, a reversal sign has appeared and it is trying to retrace. Now though, even if you connect the highs and the lows, I will say now as long as 78 or $80 levels are not taken, silver is not yet confirming a complete reversal. Yes, if you see it staying beyond 80, then we can say now is the time for us to stick to buys in 85, 95 levels should be there soon. But right now, yes, this is a retracement, not yet confirming a complete reversal. Look at the moving averages. These are trading with extreme divergence. And historically, if you look at the silver's price, after this rally, what has happened? Despite all the rise, we have seen a greater fall coming in, taking to the support zone, where it has stayed for the months and years, then rise, then the next support is created here. And now with the support from $20 levels, we have seen a six-fold increase in price. So in general, after such a tremendous rise, possibly it is trying to retrace. It can stay here in the zone at 80, 85 for a while before reversing again. This is something we should watch out for. Yes, stochastic here is also oversold. But when you look at the MACD, see, right at the highs, look at this fat belly, it has just crossed over. And this crossover has come from an extreme zone here. Yes, never seen before levels on MACD. And that is why I say this crossover on the sell side might stay here for a while. What we are seeing is right now a retracement. And that is where I have marked a couple of levels here. Till 80, I think it is not yet bullish for the coming week, and for the near term till 95, 96, I will not treat this as a rally here. And it is possible that hitting those levels, it can reverse any point of time. Look at the RSI right after staying overbought. Now this is fallen. It can possibly move the prices towards here before dropping further. And yes, before we proceed further and I give you the trading levels, friends, if you're willing to learn this art of trading, be a part of our next mentorship batch. The 40th batch starts soon. Register yourself now, reach out to me for queries. And those who are just willing to trade as per the signals can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for queries. And also very, very important for you to have a trusted partner and a recommended broker where you can trade safe, which offers you a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, and yes, most importantly, where you can trade safe and you know that there is no price manipulation, no stop loss hunting, and your funds are protected. Very, very important. All of these criteria can help you achieve your targets with ease. So join the recommended broker and enjoy your trading journey. Now considering this, what you should do, see, buying I will recommend is at 69.3 levels here. Expect 69.8, 70 at the first target level, 70.65 at the next, and 71.2 at the next. If these levels are taken, stay bullish for 72, then 72.4. And if 72.4 is taken, I think 73.15, 74, and then 75 level should be there. Beyond 75. is where the real bullish momentum might begin. 76.5, 77.6, and then $80 levels. Beyond 80, anyways, anything is a bonus. And then we can expect it to move towards 85, 86, which I think it is not going to happen. It is not going to do so in the near term time frame. On the downside, what you should do, I will recommend you to sell here at 68.60. Expect 68.20 levels. And if this zone is taken, you can expect 67.50, 67.10, and then $66 level. Now, if at all silver stays below 66, I think that is the point of time we can expect 64, 63, or 62. Below 62 is where the real bearishness will begin, and then below 62 again we may see silver back to 55, 56, which right now is not supportive of. I think there could be a rise in the near future where we can expect it to move towards 50, sorry, we're not 50, 80 and beyond higher levels. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube and get the access to our members exclusive update. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.